it is pouring. And normally I feed like 4 more horses, but I don't know where they are, and they don't really need it as badly as Penny and Rio do, and I'm not about to go up there. I did not know it was going to downpour like this, so I didn't prepare for that. And going out there with an umbrella, not only is it lightning, it is also like the one thing that would scare the horses away besides the thunder and lightning. So we go from unbelievable heat, and now it's pouring down rain, which is good because we really need this rain. So it's a good thing, but gracious. South Carolina summers can be weird. So we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, I know this is weird. New day, new outfit, not from the same clips I showed you before. So, here's what happened and here's why we're filming now and not the same day. Because my plan was I was going to continue film me taking the horses out. Just give you all a little bit of an idea of what it's like when it's like a really rainy, ridiculous day. The problem was it didn't just rain, and I have never in this area or in my life just been hearing rumbling thunder that never stops. Like, it's like as soon as the thunder starts to quiet out, another new roll of thunder comes in, and the lightning was just constantly striking. And I was like, I think I'm going to put the phone down, and I think I'm going to quit messing with it. So even my mom called to check on me to make sure everything was all right, and I put the phone on speaker, laid it down away from me, and was talking to her like, hey Mom, I'm not talking to you on the phone. I got it on speaker so that if the lightning strikes, I don't get struck and die. Anyway, so, and then when I finally got a chance where the storms were not as bad, or the thunder and lightning, I went to take Dash out, and I get out there, and it's not really thundering. I mean, it's a little bit of rumbling, like, off in the distance, and I undo his halter, I give him his treat, and I turn to walk back to the gate. And as I do, I see the biggest flash of light. Like, it was still a ways away, probably like a mile away from us, but it was like so bright and it was so loud. It scared the living daylights out of me. And so like I'm walking up to the metal gate and I'm like using the halter to like move the gate so I don't like touch it more than I absolutely have to. It was crazy. So needless to say, I didn't want to step out in this storm touching my phone, put it down to film something and then get struck by lightning. So that's why I decided to wait. Anyways, guys, well, this has been our summer so far. It's been hot in the mornings. We're looking at heat indexes of in 104, 106, all in the hundreds, and just beating down on us and just suffocatingly hot. And then by the time it cools off in the afternoon, we're having ridiculously strong thunderstorms, heavy rain. It is insane. So summer has been quite interesting so far, and I haven't gotten a lot of riding in, which sucks, but at the same time, you know, what are you going to do? I don't want to kill myself or my horses, so we're just trying to be safe. Anyways, guys, another thing I just wanted to mention is that this coming Wednesday, just be praying. We have a vet appointment for Rio. I think I mentioned this in a video before, but basically what's been happening is if he's standing still, you don't notice it. Like, there's nothing to worry about. It's just same old Rio. As soon as he starts walking, he starts having an audible breath, like breathing. Like, I know that sounds weird, but normally when you walk next to a horse, unless they've really worked out hard, you don't really hear them breathing. I mean, you don't really hear people breathing either when you're walking next to them unless they're... But that's basically what we're hearing. It's not like a wheezing, it's not a rattling, which is why I'm so confused on what it possibly could be. Could be allergies, could be heaves. There's a million different possibilities, but as soon as he comes to a stop, even after walking, immediately goes back to normal. He's not acting funny. He's got an appetite. If I see him out in the pasture, he'll come running up to me. Like, it doesn't keep him from being active. I mean, he's always been a lazy horse, and he's older. So he's not less active than he normally is. So I'm kind of worried, kind of not worried, because on one end, he's acting normal. On the other end, he does not sound normal. So Wednesday, we have a vet appointment. I will let y'all know next week how that goes. And y'all will have the update. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this weird video thing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!